Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at Sezzle and I'm going to be explaining in detail exactly how it works. Now by the end of this video you're going to understand everything you need to know about Sezzle so that you know how it works and so you know whether it's right for you. So to start with, what actually is Sezzle? Sezzle is a buy now, pay later service that allows customers to split their purchases into 4 interest-free installments. Sezzle partners with a variety of merchants including online retailers and brick-and-mortar stores to offer this financing option to their customers. Sezzle is a popular buy now pay later service because it is convenient and easy to use. It can also help customers manage their finances more effectively by allowing them to spread out the cost of large purchases over a longer period of time. So now that we know exactly what it is, how does it work? To start with, you'll need to select Sezzle at checkout. When you're ready to check out, choose Sezzle as your payment method. Online stores will show the Sezzle payment option on the checkout page. From there, you just need to sign up or log in. If you're a new user, you need to create an account with Sezzle, but if you're a returning user, you can just go ahead and log in. From there, you need to schedule your payments. Sezzle splits your purchases into 4 payments, automatically scheduled to be paid every 2 weeks. The first payment is due at the time of the purchase. From there, you can complete your order. After you review and confirm your payment schedule, Sezzle will process your order just like any other purchase. Then, from there, there's some automatic payments. The remaining payments will be automatically deducted from your chosen payment method every 2 weeks. And remember, there's no interest or fees if you pay on time. You can also log into your Sezzle account to reschedule a payment, make additional payments, or pay off your order early. Sezzle sends out text and email reminders before payments are due. So are there any purchase limits? Sezzle sets limits on how much you can spend using the service. These limits are not fixed and can vary depending on a number of factors. For new customers, Sezzle generally limits the total amount of purchase to between $50 and $200. If you've been using Sezzle for a while and you have made all your payments on time, your limit can increase. And you have to be aware that your order history with Sezzle can also affect your spending limit. If you've successfully paid off previous purchases on time, you may be allowed to spend more. And they may also consider your credit situation when determining your spending limit. But please note, these limits are subject to change and can vary from person to person. It's always a good idea to check your current limits in your Sezzle dashboard before making a purchase. So this has been my video explaining how Sezzle works. Hopefully now that you've watched this video, you understand everything you need to know about Sezzle, and you should be able to make an informed decision about whether it's the right buy now pay later service for you. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.